Hi everyone, my name is Asing. Today we have a Porsche in the workshop. The problem is cannot start. It coming to the starter. Change the starter already. He said the tire side for the sound. So I have the checking. He coming to the lower arm and the behind the arm and the pushing and everything. This one take the time 2-3 days like this. Yeah. If you have any problem with your Porsche, contact Yoto and we will be more than happy to help you.